How to install base cabinet side panels. Base cabinet side panels are a simple and easy way to finish off the end of a row of cabinets. They also can be used as spacers to aid in achieving your desired layout. Make sure to collect all required components and tools necessary prior to your installation. Start by unboxing your base cabinet side panel. Base cabinet side panels were designed for a fast and easy installation. Base cabinet side panels are not cut to size. Instead, they are designed with small adjustable leveling legs to adjust and work with any possible slope in your floors. Protective film should be removed prior to installation. Step 1. Bring the side panel over to your installation area. Align the back of your side panel with the back of your base cabinet. Remove black protective corners prior to installation. Step 2. Check the positioning of the base cabinet side panel. The base cabinet side panel should be installed flush with the top and back of the base cabinet. Adjust the leveling feet accordingly. Step 3. Once your side panel is positioned correctly, temporarily attach the side panel to the base cabinet using C-clamps. Step 4. From the interior of the cabinet, drill 4 pilot holes 1.5 inches from the edge of the corner of the cabinet. Make sure not to drill through the side panel. Step 5. Attach the base cabinet side panel using the provided number 8 by 25 mm wood screws. Again, making sure not to drill through the side panel. Remove C-clamps to complete your installation.